Virtualization. What's that? The simple answer? Virtualization makes one physical computer act and perform like many computers. How? Every computer has 4 attributes: processor, memory, storage, network. So virtualization works like this. Take a big computer with plenty of processing, memory, storage, and network capacity. Install a piece of software called Hypervisor. This physical machine is called the host. The hypervisor manages the physical resources of the host so that the virtual machines can use them as they need to. Guest computers run inside the physical hardware. They act exactly as though they were physical machines, but they aren't. They're just big files. Why would you virtualize? Run many servers on one physical server. Save money on hardware. Upgrade virtual machines hardware with mouse clicks. Disaster recovery. Virtual machines are files, so the entire VM can be backed up. Not just the data, but the OS, installed programs, the whole thing. Want to know more? Contact us for a free virtualization consultation